Hi guys, it's the Power BI guy here, and today I'm presenting you with a product sales analysis report. Now, the purpose of this type of report is to provide insight into sales and the performance of different products across our stores. Now, let's say for example, your stakeholders want to see which products have been the most successful from being put on display and which products have not been that successful. And another example would be, let's say your business wants to open up a new store. What is the effect of sales by store size? Which products sell best at a certain store size, etc., etc.